Alright guys, so I am wearing the same thing as a previous video. If you guys saw my update on my taking care of my Hoya and bringing it back to health, I'm wearing the same exact thing because I just got in the mail some plant mail and I'm excited. I found this company online because of a YouTuber. I forgot her name, but I follow her on Instagram and I follow her channel, so I'm gonna leave her link down below on the description box so you guys can follow her, because I found this website of Hoyas through her. So without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing, because I know that's what you're here for. So I got some plant mail and I am super excited. Super excited with this plant. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So here's the first little package. It says fragile, so off the bat, really good packaging. This is from the company called KokoRanchHoyas. Yes, I'm not sure what kind of Hoya I made 3 orders from this company, so I'm not sure which Hoya will come in here. So KokoRanchHoyas, she specializes on specific Hoyas only, and she does hybrids and she does affinities and different kinds of Hoyas, not just your basic Hoyas. So she does all kinds of Hoyas. Off the bat, she does do the little paper thingy right here. So let me go ahead and bring the trash can closer so I could just get it out of the way. Excuse me for a minute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let go of this. Okay, so I'm seeing 2 Hoyas right here. There you go, you see that? So let's go ahead and open up the first one. And I forgot what kind of Hoyas they are, to be honest. Hopefully she named them. Oh, perfect. So off the bat, so here is the first one. This one is called, what is this? Oh, I don't even know what it is. MACROPHYLLA Snow Queen. Okay, so this is the Snow Queen. I already have the Snow Queen Pot of Gold, and I also have the MACROPHYLLA Alba Variegata, which is one of my favorite, if not my favorite Hoya. So when I saw that she had the Hoya Snow Queen, I freaked out and I ordered it. Okay guys, so look at this Hoya. It looks so healthy, guys. Oh my god, look at it. So it's just the regular Hoya. It's not as thick as the regular Hoya MACROPHYLLA, but it does have some little speckles in there. I'll come in a little closer so you guys can see. It is a little bit damaged because of the transportation, but it's fine. I think it's really good, and it also has a nice long vine already, so that's really good. It also has a little baby leaf right there if you guys can see it. So I'm very happy with this first Hoya, really happy with that. I have my Snow Queen Hoya MACROPHYLLA, and the next one, okay, so this one is the VIOLA, Hoya VIOLA. I never heard of this Hoya before. That's what I'm telling you guys. KokoRanch, she has Hoyas that I've never heard of before, and they look really healthy. So let's go ahead and unpack it together, right? So we'll both see it at the same time. So let's go ahead. Oh my god, look at that. There's a little casualty. One little leaf fell apart, but that's fine. Look at this Hoya, guys. Oh my god, it looks amazing. It really does. Wow, I'm shocked. And this was only $20. It was not even expensive at all. Oh my god, look at this. Such a gorgeous, the leaf is thick. It kind of feels like the Hoya obovata, or like the Hoya hearts, in that it's really thick, but it does have a lot of veinations in the leaf, and they're very thick and juicy. Oh my god. Okay, so that's one package, and I have one more packet to go. So let's go ahead and unpack that box right now. Okay, so this is the second box right around here. It says fragile. So off the bat, guys, from the first package, I can recommend you guys this seller from the bottom of my heart. She has amazing Hoyas, and I've never seen Hoyas that she offers anywhere else. So off the bat, I think that she has amazing Hoyas, rare Hoyas, and very cheap price. So I'll link the description box, the website to where I purchased this. And I also like that she labels each Hoya that you get, because I forgot what the names of the Hoyas. So yeah, here's the other packaging. Let me just get rid of all of this mess. Okay, so let's go ahead and unwrap the first one out. But let me get rid of all this trash. I'm really excited, guys. I'm not gonna edit this video that much because I want you guys to see my impressions and everything. So yes. Okay, guys, this Hoya. Okay, this one doesn't have the name of what Hoya it is. It didn't came with the name, but I think this one is the Hoya. Oh my god, I forgot the name of this Hoya. I'll leave it on the description box, guys. But oh my god, let's go ahead and get a little closer. Look at this. Look at that Hoya. Isn't that amazing? Like, look at it. Look at that Hoya. Wow, this Hoya is, oh my god, look at it. I can't. It's beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. Wow, I'm really happy with it. I think this one is called Hoya. Oh, I forgot the name, guys. I really want to know the name to show you guys. But anyways, look at it. It looks kind of like the VIOLA, kind of like this one, but this one has smaller leaves and they're more kind of like thinner, not as thick. They're thick, but it's a beautiful plant. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this plant, with this Hoya. That's 3 Hoyas, and I think I have one more. I think I have one more little Hoya. Now this Hoya is the Hoya Bang Nong Bang. It looks kind of like the Hoya. Yeah, here it is, Hoya Bang Non Noi. I'm pretty sure I'm not saying the name correctly, but God, I'm gonna put it on the floor. Hoya Bang Dong Noi, or I don't know how to say it. I decided to take this plant because I've seen it in a lot of YouTubers videos, and I decided I want to have one myself. And so guys, here it is. The health of these Hoyas that she sent is really good. Like the health of the Hoyas that I've unpacked so far, due to the one casualty. But I mean, what can you expect when you're getting plants online? You're expecting to get a little damage. But look at this one. Okay, look at it. It's beautiful. It's long. Wow. Okay. Very thin leaves, but very healthy. It's you could tell it's long. It looks like the vine, it's kind of like wrapped up twice around in circles. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. Oh my god, guys. So this seller, KokoRanch, like I said before, she specializes on selling all types of Hoyas, rare Hoyas, basic Hoyas, you name it, she has it. She does do random updates on her page, so if you look into her page today, she might have something new every day. So you might want to check her page day to day, or maybe hour to hour, because she does update her page quite frequently. If you guys have any other questions or any concerns with the plants or the packaging or how much she charges you or everything, let me know in the comments. But I'm very happy with the Hoyas. So once again, I'm gonna walk through the Hoyas. Hoya MACROPHYLLA Snow Queen, Hoya VIOLA, Hoya Bang Nong Nui, or Noi, whatever, and the almighty that I don't even know the name of. God, where is it? I'm all over the place, guys. This one right here. Wow, look at it. It's just beautiful. Okay, guys, so this is it for the video. I just wanted to make a quick video unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.